Hello, welcome. Today we'll keep it nice and short so we wake up our body fast and get ready for the day. So let's start in the standing position. I want you to engage your body, so do not stand like so dumping into your back, but nice, tall, engaged posture. Engage your legs, draw your belly in, your chest forward, open it nicely. Your crown of the head is pulling towards the ceiling, trying to prolong the spine. Tuck your chin slightly towards the neck. Great. As we are standing like so, fully engaged, now I want you to put the right ear to the right shoulder and just breathe it out. If you have any tension in the left side of the neck, perhaps you slept wrongly today on your pillow, just enjoy this moment. Breathe in, breathe out. Great. Let's switch sides. So left shoulder goes towards the left knee, left shoulder. And breathe. You can try to send the right shoulder away and down for greater stretch. Great, let's lift back to the center and let's do a few half circles to the front. Great. Let's stop here and move the shoulders so you can do circles backwards like so. You can engage your whole body, so you can do weird moves with your spine, you can do it with your legs. Just, wake up. Say, hey buddy, it's a new day. Okay, let's do it to the other side. You can do it like really big exaggeration. If it feels great, just do it. Okay. The right arm is stretching to the left and you're grabbing with the left arm. Just make sure the right shoulder is not somewhere here next to your chin, but send it nicely down. Great, let's switch sides. Perfect. Let's move on all four to our good old cat and cow position. So I'm just reminding, wrists under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Inhale, arch, look up. Exhale, round, draw your belly in. Inhale, arch, try to send the chest forward and out. Exhale, round. Two more times. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Last time. Inhale, chest out. Exhale, round. Push to the palms and knees. Okay. Let's move on our toes. So we'll be sitting on our toes. Try to include all the fingers. Okay, while we are here, just put your palms together behind your back and send the chest out and up. And breathe. This is feeling amazing. Open your heart. You can close your eyes. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Good. Palms back on the floor. Very important for people with office jobs. Let's wake up our wrists. Super, super important for people nowadays. So let's just do circles like so. Again, if you wish to, you can add some spine movements to it. Today there is nothing wrong or right. And to the other side. Great. Put the palms facing upwards and just stay like this. Or if you want a deeper stretch, you can squeeze your fingers together into your fists and open. This is a great stretch even after work when you stop working. If you have problems with wrists, too much mouse, too much keyboard, this is amazing. I love to do it. Fine. And now let's stay with the hips where we are, above the knees, and just move your arms forward. And your forehead goes on the mat. You can stay here. For deeper stretch, you can always look forward and put your chin on the mat. Let's move back up. This time we'll stay on one knee, so we'll stay on the left knee, and the right leg stretches out to the right. Of course, make sure your left knee is in one line with the right ankle. All right, and now left arm goes up, long, exhale to the right. This might be very, very intense for some people, but try to breathe it out, release the tension, inhale, reach a bit further with the arm, exhale, bend a bit lower. Of course, avoid like slouching forward, it will not do anything. So nice one line, just to the side of the body. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, left palm goes on the floor and right arm stretches out. Now make sure the right foot is working and pushing to the mat, so you can really feel the stretch of the whole right hand side of the body. Great, let's go back up, and we are switching legs. Left leg stretches out. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, bend to the right. And again, try to manage your breath. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, right palm goes on the floor. Left arm stretches. And again, don't forget about the left leg that is engaged. Left foot kind of pushing to the mat. You can try also to play with hips a little bit here, so you can tilt the pelvis bone a bit forward. See how it feels if something changes. Great. Inhale back up. And we move to squat. So this is a great wake up for our legs. And not just for the legs and the hip area, but also, for example, if you have a painful lower back, just go squat down. It's a great release and great stretch for the lower back. Okay, you can stay here, and I'm just gonna move for you guys so you can see better from better angle. Put the palms in front of you, and we just a little bit wake up the legs here by some activity. So lift the hips up and back down. Your upper body doesn't have to be engaged anyhow. Just try to work with the legs right now. Two more. And now we stay with the hips up. Put the feet a bit together. And bend your knees. Grab your opposite elbows and just sway from side to side. Gently stretch the hamstrings. There is no need to push anything right now. We are stiff. It's the beginning of the day. So just enjoy. Great. Let's move our palms a bit forward. And so we move to our downward facing dog with bent knees. So just feel your spine. Try to lengthen it. Tilt the tailbone up towards the ceiling. And now you can start pedaling your feet. So bend one knee, bend the other. And once you feel you are stretched enough, if you can manage, send your heels all the way down. And let's stay here a few breaths. Now look up between the palms and we'll jump to seated. We'll stretch the left leg in front of us. Right leg goes above over our left knee. Inhale, stretch up, prolong your spine, and with exhalation, rotate to the right. Again, with every inhalation, you can lengthen the spine, and with every exhalation, try slowly to rotate a bit deeper. Okay, release and switch sides. left knee, left foot goes over the right knee. Inhale, straighten the back. Exhale, rotate to the left. Okay, and we'll move to our to our last actually asana, which is butterfly. So put your feet together, straighten your spine, and just try to move your knees down closer to the floor. Open the legs. Release. Let's finish in your favorite seated position. Again, straighten your spine. We'll finish engaged as well as we started. Okay, inhale, arms up. Grab all the energy you need and pull it down towards yourself, towards your chest. Inhale again, arms up. Grab anything, any positive energy you need for today to go through the day and pull it towards your heart. You can visibly in your head try to push it in to your body. Last one, big one. Grab as much as you need and pull it with your palms towards yourself. That's it for today. I wish you a great day. Namaste.